First thing I always do when I edit is get the light right. All I'd do is probably brighten this up and darken it a bit. Then add some clarity, maybe go back, darken it a bit more. Okay, then I would add some warmth to give some life to that skin. I think it's quite lifeless. So we're gonna warm it up a bit. See how it's brought out like the orange in his skin. Now when it comes to turning this into like a really good, nice edit, to me, it's about getting rid of the blues or changing the hue of the blues and adjusting it in that way. So heading over to color, we then press this wheel in the top and the blue slider. Now the hue is like the actual color, whereas saturation is how strong the color is, and then luminance is how bright or dark the color is. So adjusting the hue, I usually give the hues a bit of a green look. Or I lean them over towards the green side of the spectrum. So we've made this a bit more turquoise, not too green. I don't want it green, but I want it blue like that. What I might do is whiten the teeth a bit. So go to the select tool, add brush, make sure it's the right size, but I still want to keep it soft. And then just do a little swipey swipe over the mouth, head over to the light section and brighten it just a tad, because this might look nice here, but then when you zoom out, it looks silly. So we only want to brighten it up a tad. And then what we want to do, I think the key here is the warmth of his teeth. So make it a bit colder and lose a bit of the saturation. And then maybe brighten it just a touch more. And yeah, that to me is good teeth. All right. So before and after. Before and after. So if you want to see more edits like this,